Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Icenet token. Ticker symbol is ICE. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. It was just announced today. We're going to go over the information on the Icenet token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Icenet token will be listed on a very big central exchange starting December 23rd, 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the Icenet token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ICE, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So December 23rd, 15 hours UTC time. Now, what is this project all about? First of all, you could find their full white paper if you go to whitepaper.icevpn.app/ICE, and you will find a technical white paper over there. So, why ICE VPN is better. So, if you don't know what a VPN is, obviously, well, we could review that. It'll probably talk about it here, but it's going to hide your location, basically. And it's, you know, like an anonymous way to scroll you can pretend you're in a different country for security reasons, all that type of stuff having to do with security. Or you could do it to, like, watch Netflix, Korean Netflix, and if you live in Canada and things like that, and just pretend you're from a different country. So there's all sorts of different things that people use VPN for, but those are probably the main two. And so this is the ICE VPN here from Icenet. So, Icenet is built on ZK Snarks, a zero-knowledge proof protocol that allows a prover to verify their knowledge of a value without disclosing any relevant information. The technological foundation of Ice Shield Network mainly consists of two components: the advanced zero-knowledge proof technology, ZK Snarks, and the innovative network protocol, ISN protocol. These two components, when combined, bring about new possibilities for the network's privacy protection. So they have the application of ZK Snarks. So Icenet uses ZK Snarks to create a new network privacy layer. Whenever a user initiates a network request, such as accessing a website, an Icenet node will generate a ZK Snarks proof. This proof confirms that it has processed the user's request without revealing any specific details about it. As a result, even if a node is exposed, no information related to the user's request can be obtained, thereby ensuring user privacy. So ISN protocol is our unique network protocol. The ISN protocol, under this protocol, every network request passes through multiple Icenet nodes. Each node applies a ZK Snarks treatment to the request, safeguarding the privacy of a user's identity, such as IP addresses. ISN protocol adheres to the principles of onion routing, meaning each network request passes through a series of nodes. Each node only knows the preceding and succeeding nodes and cannot ascertain the origin of destination of the request. This design ensures that even if a node is compromised, attackers cannot access the user's network's identifiers or the content of the request. They also have end-to-end encryption. So to further protect the privacy of the user, Icenet also supports end-to-end encryption. When a user sends out a request, the content of the request is encrypted and only the destination server can decrypt it. Thus, even in an extreme case where zk-SNARK might be compromised, attackers cannot obtain the content of the user's request. So this is all about privacy, security. Ice Shield network is designed as a decentralized network, and anyone can run an Icenet node. Nodes are responsible for processing network requests, including generating zk-SNARK's proof, routing requests according to the ISN protocol, and encrypting and decrypting requests. We have also designed a reward mechanism where users run nodes and can earn token rewards. In addition to IP addresses, Icenet can also mask users' physical locations, device fingerprints, device type, operating system, browser version, etc., online behaviors such as visited websites, clicked links, etc., time zone information, and cookies and other trackers. This greatly enhances the user's privacy, and this decentralized design not only improves network robustness and availability, but also makes attacks and censorship more difficult, thus providing better privacy and protection. In practical terms, each Icenet node will run an instance of ISN protocol processing passing network requests. Whenever a request arrives, the node first decrypts the request according to the ISN protocol and generates a zk-SNARK proof to verify that it has correctly processed the request without revealing specific details. The node then encrypts the processed request and sends it to the next node or destination server. To ensure the network's efficiency, we need to design a reward mechanism. Users running nodes will earn our virtual tokens as rewards, with this amount of reward depending on the volume of network requests processed. This will encourage more users to participate in our network, thereby improving the network's performance and reliability. So by using zk-SNARKs and ISN protocol, we can protect various user network identifiers, including IP addresses, physical locations, device fingerprints, online behaviors, time zones, cookies, other trackers. Thus, whenever users are browsing websites, downloading files, or sending messages, their privacy is also preserved. Furthermore, we offer an end-to-end encryption, ensuring only the destination server can decrypt users' requests. Therefore, even if in extreme cases where zk-SNARKs might be compromised, attackers cannot obtain the content of the user's request. And lastly, future developments. In the future, we will continue to explore the research and more technologies to further enhance Icenet's performance and availability, as well as privacy protection. We will regularly update our protocols and algorithms to face new challenges and threats, and our goal is to build a truly secure, private, and user-friendly online environment. So in a nutshell, that's what this project is all about here. Now, this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Well, lastly, we'll just go over token info here. So the total supply of this token is 1 billion ICE tokens. How it's split up, 90% goes to community incentives, 5% marketing incentives, and 5% team incentives. So far, they only have 261 holders, very brand new project, and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, they are doing an event here on Pink Sale. They're having a launchpad event that you could check out on did I say Pink Sale? Sorry, I meant Mexc Global. They are doing a launchpad event on Mexc Global prior to this listing. So the listing is December 23rd, 15 hours UTC time. But from the 18th to the 23rd, at 11 o'clock UTC time, they're doing this launchpad event where you can commit MX tokens to potentially get Icenet airdrops. So check out that launchpad event. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc global account, check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.